Hi and welcome to Beware of the Beam. My name is Joachim and this is the Olight Marauder X9R with 25,000 lumen from 6 Cree XP70.2 LEDs. This flashlight is really huge and mighty. One press turns the light on. The LEDs on the right hand side indicate the battery level. The LEDs on the left show the selected light mode. Pressing and holding the switch toggles the light modes. The battery pack is removable. It is built up from 8 18650 batteries. A charger with power plug and car socket, as well as a shoulder strap and a protective cuff are included in the solid storage case. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.